squash. Duck I'm going to cook with the squash leaf. Okay, so you're going to cut for kind of more like a square, not too small, not too big, just like this. You can use the leg, you can use the wing, whatever you like it. Squash and squash leaf. This is how it looks like. And then this is the squash. First you have to clean the squash leaf. After you use all the good squash leaf, then you have to clean. You have to clean thoroughly. Make sure there's no dirt. Or you can leave for like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you clean. Just clean like a piece by piece. This is the leaf after cleaning. Everything looks neat and clean. So that's what you need. This is how you cut for making soup. Beautiful. You want to do like square, and you see how inside crunchy. Wow, very crunchy. So if a little bit bigger, you cut for small, a little bit smaller. This is what you need to do. Great. Sauce. See how beautiful. Very beautiful. You cook until kind of brown a little bit. See how beautiful. Very beautiful. Okay, so you drain all the oil away, and then just using the meat, and then you put water in. You wait until the water boil, and then you put the squash in. Now this squash is soft, so you will put the squash leaf in. This is the flower squash leaf, squash flower, and the leaf. Turned out so good. Leaf, squash, and squash. Wait until soft, a little bit soft, then you're done.